Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be answering the question, can you view private Twitter accounts without following them? So the answer is no. There is no way to view private Twitter accounts on Twitter without following them. If you want to view somebody's private posts, you have to follow them on Twitter. There's a couple apps and things that say they will help you. You just have to put in your Twitter information or something like that, but those are all fake. They will just steal your information and hack your account. So do not trust any of them. So there is no way to view private Twitter accounts on Twitter. You can make like fake accounts and follow the person if you don't want them to know that you're following them or something like that, but you can't just view somebody's post without following them. As you can see on this person's profile, there's nothing I can do except follow him to see their private posts. You can't see any of their tweets or anything like that. So you just have to send them a follow request, and if they accept it, you'll be able to see it. But that's the only thing that you can do. So I hope this video answered your question. If it did, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.